Urgent requirement for Azma International hiring for ENTAJ Co. KSA. Available positions. Protein Factory Foreman. Raw Water Plant ASTP Technician. Boiler Oxidizer Operator Technician. Refrigeration Technician. Utility Technician Ammonia Compressor. Laboratory Operator. WWTP Chemist Bata Lab Operator. Utility Technician Piping, Welding, Mechanical. HVAC Refrigeration Technician. WWTP Row Technician. Minimum 5 years experience required. Good English communication must. Duty 8 hours. Salary negotiable. Benefits housing plus transport plus insurance. Office address Garage Line, Kabristan Road, Dhatkidi, Jamshedpur. Contact numbers 6201813225/6201763306 9279600862/9288484135. Interested candidates send CV immediately for online interview.